Welcome back to WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. I have grown a 260-pound watermelon, the biggest one I've ever grown. Today what I'm going to do is tell you how to tell if a watermelon is ripe. What you want to look for is you want to take the watermelon, flip it over, and look at the bottom. Alright? Now the watermelon, it looks like it's been setting the longest, is the one you want to pick. See this one here? Not so long. This one here looks like it's set on the ground much longer. The watermelons do not ripen once they're picked. They mature on the vine. They have to ripen on the vine. So you want to get them the oldest, the watermelon. The older watermelon will be the ripest. They're kind of a lot like people. The older your bottom, the riper you are. Alright, join us at WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. Get your seeds and needs in Mark's Mixes and grow your own natural watermelon. Check out my video, 288-pound giant watermelon cut open, look inside, has over 7 million views. Check it out. That is a nice ripe watermelon that was fertilized, sweet to the taste. Check it out. We'll talk to you soon at WorldwideGiantGrowers.com and Mark's Mixes. Happy gardening.